A big favourite at Christmas time is Silent Night. A few weeks ago, Summer asked for help to work out a piano accompaniment to play this carol.
Shh.
Let's check that out, and I'll teach you how to read the melody notes if you want to play along.
Shh.
Hi there, I'm Kylie, and we love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire students to learn the love of music here at our music studios. Well, today, let's start by working out the melody of Silent Night, and then we'll model a simple piano accompaniment so that you can play along with either version or duet with a family member. Let's start Silent Night by looking at our landmark of middle C and notice that we start one note above. Following along the music, we can start on the note D, then we step up, step down, and skip down. Then we play the same again. Start on D, step up, step down, and skip down. 1, 2, 3. Then we leap up to one note above our G landmark note. So this then is the A. Play A again and then skip down to F sharp. Remember that all Fs are F sharps in this piece, and that's what this sign is telling us from the beginning. Next, step up a note, repeat the same note, and then leap down to our D note, which we started on at the beginning. Remember that with note reading, we don't actually have to read the name of every note. We can just connect to a landmark that we know and then watch how we move. So watch the ups, the downs, the steps, and the skips. If you'd like to learn some more note reading tips, then you can check out my video, How to Read Music, and I'll link it below. Next section, we step up from the D note, play the same note again, skip up, step down, and step down again back to our D. Step up, step down, skip down, and hold. And repeat all that part again. Step up from the D note, play the same note again, skip up, step down, and down again, back to our D. Step up, step down, skip down. Leap up to our A note, play the same note again, and then skip up, skip down, and remember the F sharp, step up and hold, skip up and hold there. Then play our landmark G note, leap down, skip up, step down, skip down, and step down to finish. So now I'll play the melody through with the timing so that you can play along as you follow the music. Just hit pause and jump back if you need to do a few runs. I tell my students to break it into small sections and repeat them over and over until it's super easy. 1, 2, 3. Now let's move on to the accompaniment, and this is what Summer worked out by using 2 hands. You may just like to hold the bottom note, following along with her left hand, and this is printed on the music above the melody notes with the chord letter. We start on a G chord, and Summer will play both the G notes in each hand, and then skip up, and skip down the chord notes in her right hand to create a pattern. To work out the rhythm, you might like to say 1 and 2 and 3 and, or say some other words like chocolate ice cream thick shake. Any phrase that will remind you to play very evenly. She plays this G pattern 4 times. Then Summer moves to a D pattern, once again playing Ds in both hands, and then skip up, and skip down the chord notes, remembering the F sharp in the right hand. She plays the D pattern 2 times before playing the G pattern again another 2 times. Next she plays 2 C patterns, outlining the C note in each hand. C note, skip up, skip down, and then 2 G patterns. Then play both patterns again, 2 C patterns and 2 G patterns. To finish the accompaniment, Summer then plays the D pattern twice, then the G pattern 3 times, 1 D pattern, and then 1 G pattern, finishing off with a G note. Before we play the parts together for you to join us with a full run, I'd love for you to subscribe if you're enjoying the content, or a thumbs up is the best compliment you can give. Did you just do it?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
So peace to you this Christmas season. I know that not everyone's going to be able to join up with family and friends in your usual format, but love and peace to you this year in whatever holiday format you find yourself. Stay safe and blessings from us to you. Happy caroling.